Let's talk about Pi, the digital coin you tap for daily, maybe out of habit, maybe out of hope. It's easy to overlook what you're really doing each time you open the app and press that button. But behind every tap, there's a bigger story unfolding, a story about the future of money and your place in it. You're not just hoping it'll be worth something someday. You're participating in a global experiment. Millions of people around the world are doing the same thing, wondering if these digital coins will ever have real value, or if it's all just a passing trend. Right now, you're collecting numbers on a screen. They don't buy you coffee, pay your rent, or fill your shopping cart, at least not yet. But every currency starts as an idea, and every idea needs believers before it becomes reality. Pi's big idea? To create a cryptocurrency that's truly for everyone, not just for techies with expensive hardware or people who already have a foot in the financial world. It's about lowering the barriers so anyone with a phone can join in. It's about building a new digital economy, one tap at a time. Each action you take, each friend you invite, each transaction you make, these are the building blocks of something bigger than any one person. The value of Pi will come from us, the community, our belief, and our activity. Every new user who joins, every transaction that takes place, every moment we spend building trust and connections adds to the foundation of this digital nation. Every app built on Pi, every developer who chooses to innovate here adds legitimacy and utility. The more we use it, the more real it becomes. We're not just miners, we're the first citizens of a digital nation. We're shaping the rules, the culture, and the value of this new world together. But it all hinges on one thing: verification. For Pi to matter, for it to be more than just numbers, the network has to know its users are real people, not bots or fake accounts. The network must prove its users are real people, not bots, not duplicates. This is what gives Pi its credibility and protects its future. Without that, Pi is just a game, a distraction, not a revolution. If we don't take verification seriously, all our efforts could be wasted. So, our real work is making sure our corner of the network is authentic. By verifying ourselves and encouraging others to do the same, we're laying the groundwork for a digital currency that could one day change how the world thinks about money. The future of Pi, and your digital coins, depends on all of us, working together, building trust, and believing in what we're creating. Imagine opening your Pi app and seeing a massive balance, maybe 10,000 Pi or even more. It's an amazing feeling, right? You might start dreaming about what you could do with all that Pi, picturing yourself spending it on cool gadgets, travel, or maybe even investing in your future. But before you get too excited, there's something important you need to know. Not all Pi is created equal. Only the Pi that's linked to a verified identity, meaning you've proven you're a real person, actually counts when it comes time to use it. The rest? It's just numbers on a screen, waiting for you to take the next step. Think of Mainnet as the most exclusive party in town, the kind everyone wants to get into. There's a velvet rope, a guest list, and only certain people are allowed inside. The bouncer at the door? That's KYC, know your customer. It's the process that checks if you're really who you say you are. Only Pi that's been verified through KYC gets to walk past the velvet rope and join the party. If your Pi isn't verified, it's left waiting outside. KYC usually means showing a government-issued ID like a passport or driver's license, and sometimes even taking a selfie to prove it's really you. It's a simple step, but it makes a huge difference. This process is what keeps the Pi network safe, secure, and valuable. It stops fake accounts and bots from sneaking in and protects everyone's hard-earned Pi. Now let's talk about bonus Pi, the extra you earn from your team. It's a great way to boost your balance, but there's a catch. It's conditional. If your referrals, your team members, don't pass KYC, their bonus Pi vanishes. It's like showing up to the party without an invite. You just can't get in. Your total Pi is a mix of what you've mined yourself and the bonus you get from your team. But remember, only the verified portion is real and spendable. The goal is to turn as much of that bonus as possible into verified Pi. The more of your team that gets verified, the more Pi you'll actually have when it matters. Your team's actions have a direct impact on your future wealth. If they succeed, you succeed. If they don't, you miss out on potential rewards. Their success is your success. Their inaction is your loss. It's a team effort, and everyone's participation counts. Suddenly, your referral team isn't just a list of names, they're your business partners in this new digital economy. So, help your team get verified. Guide them through the process, answer their questions, and make sure everyone gets past the velvet rope. The more verified pie you and your team have, the bigger your slice of the party, and the brighter your future in the pie network. Your simplest tool? The Pin Referral Team button. Every day, after your mining tap, hit that button. It sends a gentle reminder to your team to mine. More active team members mean a higher mining rate for you. An inactive team slows you down. Pinning daily keeps your earnings up. Over time, these small boosts add up to a lot of pie. Don't leave free pie on the table. Pin your team. Pinning is step 1. Next, become your team's KYC motivator. Any bonus pie from unverified members will be burned. Monitor your team's KYC status in the app. If someone's stuck, offer help. Point them to resources or tutorials. Frame it as a team effort. Let's all secure our pie for Mainnet. Sometimes you'll need to be persistent. People forget or procrastinate. Your reminder could make the difference. Remind them, unverified pie is lost. Pie. Their verification secures their pie and your bonus. Be helpful, be persistent, and your future self will thank you. The more verified members, the more pie you keep. Don't be shy. Your digital fortune depends on it. Lead your team to verification. Every team has inactive members, ghosts who stopped mining. Each one is lost potential for you. The pin button is your first nudge. Sometimes it's enough to wake them. For stubborn cases, reach out personally, text or chat. Remind them what's at stake, their pie and yours. Not everyone will return, but every revived miner boosts your earnings and KYC chances. Think of yourself as a pie archaeologist, reviving lost value. Every active member is a win. Keep digging, your balance depends on it. Picture this. Mainnet arrives, and your balance drops from 10,000 to 1,500 pie. The rest? Burned, because your team didn't verify. Bonus pie from unverified members is just a ghost, gone at final accounting. The bigger your team, the bigger the risk if they don't verify. All your reminders and boosted rates mean nothing if they skip KYC. Pinning and nudging are acts of self-preservation. Convert conditional pie into verified pie, or risk losing it all. Don't gamble on your team figuring it out alone. Guide them, remind them, and secure your future. The stakes couldn't be higher. Pie's journey is unfolding in 2 crucial phases. Testnet, which is happening right now, and Mainnet, which is coming soon. The testnet phase is where the community tests, learns, and prepares for what's ahead. But the real transformation happens at Mainnet. Mainnet is the moment when Pi transitions from a test project to a real, usable cryptocurrency. This is when your Pi will finally have value and can be used, traded, or held, just like any other digital currency. But to take your Pi with you into Mainnet, you must complete KYC, Know Your Customer Verification. This is a mandatory step for everyone, with no exceptions, to ensure the network is secure and trustworthy. If you skip KYC, your Pi will be left behind in the testnet phase, unable to move forward. Over time, unclaimed Pi will be lost forever, and you'll miss out on the opportunity to be part of the Mainnet revolution. It's not just about you, your team matters too. For you to keep the bonus Pi you've earned from your team, each member must also complete their KYC and migrate to Mainnet. KYC secures your bonus, and migration finalizes it. Only after both steps are done will your bonus Pi be safe and available in Mainnet. If your team members don't migrate, you lose the bonus Pi you earned from their activity. Don't let their inaction cost you your rewards. The Mainnet checklist in the Pi app is your roadmap. It guides you step by step, making sure you don't miss anything important on your journey to Mainnet. Your job is simple. Complete your checklist and help your team do the same. Support each other, answer questions, and make sure no one is left behind. Remind your team, the train to Mainnet is leaving soon, and there won't be a second chance to board. Secure your KYC ticket and board the Mainnet train before the doors close. This is your entry pass to the future of Pi. Don't let your Pi or your team's hard work get left behind on the platform. The opportunity is now. Act now. Complete your checklist, help your team, and secure your place in Pi's future before it's too late. Zoom out. Every verified user is a node in a global network. A strong, active team boosts your Pi and strengthens the whole ecosystem. More users mean more value, more apps, more security. Your team is a microcosm of the network. Helping your team mine and verify builds a healthier Pi nation. Millions doing the same creates a powerful, valuable system. Your daily actions ripple out, strengthening the entire project. Wake up a miner, help with KYC, you're building more than wealth. You're helping create a digital nation. Here's the bottom line. Pi isn't just about tapping a button. It's about building something real together. Your daily actions, pinning, checking KYC, sending reminders, are investments in your future. The difference between Pi's success and failure could be your 5 extra minutes each day. Don't wait for someone else. Take ownership. Open the app, check your team, send those nudges. Your actions today decide your verified Pi tomorrow. This is your chance to help build a digital future from the ground up. Every tap, every verification, every reminder matters. The future of Pi is in your hands. So tap the button. Pin your team. Let's build this together.